I'm happy to announce that I'll be doing a cruise on June 1st to 14th this summer, 2026, traveling up the western coast of Norway to the incredible Svalbard archipelago. As you know, Norway is absolutely spectacular, and for this trip, we'll be going places I've never been, up the breathtaking coastline with picturesque towns vibrant with distinctive culture. And Svalbard is a place of dreams. This is going to be an amazing trip. Want to join me? On the trip, I'll not just be sightseeing, but also giving lectures. I couldn't find anything on polar bears in the Bible, except for that little bit about Noah's Ark, and so I've decided to talk about a topic that is near and dear to my heart. That is, in fact, the topic I'm working on for my next book. I'll be calling the talks, Who Chose the Gospels? I'll be asking, why do we have Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John instead of, say, Peter, James, Thomas, and Philip? Who decided? When? On what grounds? And were they right? I'll be exploring these issues, and when I'm not lecturing and gawking at the sights, I'll be hanging out with everyone who comes. We'll be talking, I'll be answering questions, we'll explore ideas, and we'll be thinking deep thoughts. If you prefer, we can simply wonder about the significance of Norwegian fjords for the big questions of life. The cruise will start in the gorgeous city of Bergen, the city of 7 mountains, and it'll take us high above the Arctic Circle. We'll see the magnificent landscapes, vast glaciers of the region, and rugged islands, and we'll enjoy cultural delights including museums and cathedrals. We'll explore the southern tip of Svalbard, just 600 miles south of the North Pole, a place rich in animal and plant life, but most famous as one of the best places on Earth to observe polar bears in their natural habitat. I'm thinking, see all this while you can. I can attest that the ship is spectacular. With an ice-strengthened hull and an eco-friendly technology, the 192-guest Swan Hellenic Diana. It's especially suited to exploring the polar region. The ship has beautifully appointed accommodations and public areas. It has lots of deck space for viewing the wonders of nature, plenty of places for us to sit and talk and think. This is going to be an extraordinary voyage with a rare combination of breathtaking scenery, Scandinavian culture and folklore, fascinating wildlife viewing, interesting fellow travelers, plenty of time to converse, and blissful comfort. I hope you can come.